Hello, my name's Michael Masserang. I'm a crawl space air quality specialist here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and today I'd like to talk about a house we recently fixed using a multifaceted solution. This particular home was unique as it had subsurface water penetration combined with rampant moisture release, elevated relative humidity which translated to elevated dew point levels, and massive condensation problems. The following video will be a step-by-step narrative as we progress through the project. I hope you enjoy the video today. Standing in front of the house from the street, the house was obviously constructed on a sloping lot or basically on the side of a hill. The garage is located on the back side of the footprint or at the high side of the property. The builder attempted to reroute drainage along the left and right sides of the house out towards the street. Inspection of the crawl space revealed massive water intrusion coming up underneath the garage foundation, underneath the basement wall, and up into the crawl space from above grade. Elevated moisture readings were also discovered. I took a wood moisture reading at 3 random spots, and I got 20 plus at all 3 locations. The customer, concerned about storing items up underneath the house, obviously wanted to utilize the advantage of storage inside this crawl space. First, we had to solve the massive drainage problems underneath the house. We decided to install a network of 4-inch drain tiles around the perimeter foundation of the house, connected to a series of laterals out to the right front corner of the crawl space where an existing footing drain exists. We had to modify the existing footing drain to be a true gravity discharge line. We took the gravity